one of my favorite tequila cocktails is the Spicy Mango Margarita. I think the combination of mango, tequila and spice is an incredible combination. But I do like to riff and I do like to play about. So I set about swapping in other ingredients to see whether I could make the Spicy Mango Margarita even better for me. And I think I've managed it, and I'm going to show you how. So this is a very easy riff. I found that Dutch Barn's ginger vodka made with actual ginger is an incredible replacement for tequila. So I've tried it in a Paloma and I've tried it in margaritas, and I adore this stuff. So we're going for this like spicy ginger mango margarita. 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of the ginger vodka. Then my orange liqueur is in the form of, there we go, Fortunello. It's a kumquat orange liqueur, but think Grand Marnier, think Mandarin Napoleon, Triple Sec Cointreau, all those kind of things. This is just gorgeous. So 45 ml of the Dutch Barn ginger vodka, 20 ml of the orange liqueur, 30 ml, 1 ounce of lime juice. Then the mango syrup. I think these fantastic, real. They're actually purees in here as well. That's what it means by infused puree syrup, because it's actual mango puree, not concentrates like other syrup brands or anything like that. It's actual mango puree, but then it's blended with sugar. So 40% of that bottle is mango puree, and then 60% of that is sugar. So a much higher fruit content than any other syrup out there. All right, so 20 ml of the mango. And then my secret weapon for spicy margaritas is this beautiful little stuff, capsicum bitters. And these are literally adjust the taste. I affectionately refer to this as like 3 drops would be your korma, 5 to 6 drops would be your kind of like Balti, Rogan Josh sort of level. And then if you go up to 8, 10, 12 drops, you're getting into Madras territory and Vindaloo territory. So it's a literally adjust the taste. But for this, I do like 5. I'm going to go 6 drops this time. And then my admin is completely on point this time, because not only have I salted the rim of the glass, I've also pre-rimmed it as well. So just strain it into your favourite glass. But the salt rim on this is chili, salt, pineapple and mango powder and a touch of lime powder. That is so good. The ginger note that comes through there, the feisty chilliness, but you've got that lovely cooling note of the mango and the citrusiness from the lime juice and the orange liqueur. It's just a beautiful cocktail. I don't know why mango and spice work so well together, but it does. That is a beautiful riff on the margarita. You probably wouldn't call it a margarita because it is vodka instead of tequila, but I adore that. That's one of the best riffs I've created in a long, long while.